welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a green bean casserole. Yeah, I know we make these over the holidays and anything, but I made this over the weekend and it was delicious. For our ingredients, we have fresh green beans. We have a can of mushroom soup. We have milk, salt and pepper, and we have our French fried onions. I did add some bacon and some Parmesan cheese. I did add some Kobe Jack cheese to this recipe. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So here we're going to fry up our bacon. We're going to make sure that we get that nice and crispy. And we just fried that up really good. Nice and crispy. We're going to take that out of the pan and we're going to set it to the side to use it later in our recipe. So here's our cream of mushroom. Now here we're going to add our milk. And we're just going to mix those two items up together. And here I'm adding my salt and my pepper. Now, I like to put this on everything. So if you see this multiple times in all my videos, I love some Creole seasoning. I'm a Creole girl, okay? So we're going to add a little bit of that. And then we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder. And we're just going to mix that in. And we are going to set that aside for a minute. We're going to add our green beans to our bacon dish. And here we're adding the sauce on the top, which I did clean and cut my green beans. I did not show that on the camera. I also boiled them for a couple of minutes so that they would get soft. I didn't want my green beans too hard. And we're going to add in our fried onions. And we're going to mix our fried onions in. Here we're going to add our Kobe Jack cheese. And we're going to mix a little bit of that in. Here, I'm going to put it in the oven. And we're going to bake it for 30 minutes. Then we're going to take it out. And here we are stirring it around. We are stirring our mixture. And then we're going to top it with some more cheese. And we're adding some more fried onions. And then we're going to top it with our cooked bacon. And we're going to stick it back in the oven and bake it for an additional 10 minutes. And you want to take it out and you want to serve and enjoy. We have made green bean casserole my way. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.